Welcome to Top List. Here are inspirational and exciting video that Top List gives you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Because of overpopulation, pollution and destroying rainforest, we see little by little what is the effect of it in our world. Some of species suffered because their habitat or their home is already destroyed, and also because of the illegal hunters. Today we are discussing about the rarest animals in the world. If you new here, don't forget to subscribe and like in our channel. Here the top 10 most endangered animals. Number 10. Gorillas. Gorillas are ground-dwelling, predominantly herbivorous apes that inhabit the forests of central sub-Saharan Africa. The genus gorilla is divided into two species, the eastern gorillas and the western gorillas, and either 4 or 5 subspecies. They are the largest living primates. Their lifespan is about 35 to 40 years old. Mountain gorillas are considered critically endangered by IUCN's Red List since 1996. Not only are mountain gorillas threatened by loss of habitat due to human encroachment, they have also become victims of human violence. As civil war rages in Africa, efforts to conserve mountain gorilla populations have been curtailed. Mountain gorillas are as shy as they are strong. But when threatened, they can be aggressive. They beat their chests and let out angry grunts and roars. Group leaders will charge at the threat. Mothers will fight to the death to protect their young. Number 9. Amur leopard. The Amur leopard is a leopard subspecies native to the Primo-Rai region of southeastern Russia and northern China. It is listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. In 2007, only 19 to 26 wild leopards were estimated to survive in southeastern Russia and northeastern China. This rare subspecies of leopard has adapted to live in the temperate forests of the Russian Far East and northeastern Chinese provinces. They are known to hide their kills to save it from other predators and eat later. They can also jump up to 20 feet horizontally and 10 feet vertically. Amur leopards are currently threatened by shrinking prey tracts and the illegal wildlife trade. Due to logging and poaching of the prey species, such as roe deer and sika deer, the Amur leopard's food source is dwindling. Their fur is also a coveted resource, fetching up to $1,000 per pelt. Number 8. Sea turtle. Sea turtles, sometimes called marine turtles, are reptiles of the order Testudines and of the suborder Cryptodira. Sea turtles make incredibly long migrations between feeding and breeding areas. The leatherback travels an average of 3,700 miles each way. Sea turtles mate at sea, then come ashore on beaches to lay their eggs. Females dig a hole in the sand, then deposit their clutch of eggs, up to 100, in the leatherback's case, cover it back up, then return to the sea. Nearly all species of sea turtle are classified as endangered. Slaughtered for their eggs, meat, skin, and shells, sea turtles suffer from poaching and overexploitation. They also face habitat destruction and accidental capture in fishing gear. Climate change has an impact on turtle nesting sites. Number 7. Orangutan. Since the millennium, the Sumatran orangutan has been classified by the IUCN as critically endangered, with approximately 80% of the population lost in the past 75 years, mainly as a result of mass deforestation. A century ago there were probably more than 230,000 orangutans in total, but the Bornean orangutan is now estimated at about 104,700 based on updated geographic range, endangered, and the Sumatran about 7,500 critically endangered. A third species of orangutan was announced in November 2017. An orangutan's normal habitat is the tropical rainforest that is dominated by trees of the family Dipterocarpaceae, which interestingly enough, is also becoming endangered in parts of the world. In Sumatra, orangutans are entirely arboreal because of large predators, such as tigers, leopards, patrol the forest floor. Number 6. Sumatran elephant. The Sumatran elephant is one of 3 recognized subspecies of the Asian elephant, and native to the Indonesian island of Sumatra. In the past 25 years, the Sumatran elephant has lost an astounding 70% of its habitat to deforestation for palm oil plantations, agriculture and human settlements. Less than 2,000 are estimated to exist, and in 2011, the Sumatran elephant was classified by the IUCN as critically endangered. Deforestation and habitat loss. In 2012, the Sumatran elephant was changed from endangered to critically endangered, because half of its population has been lost in one generation, a decline that is largely due to habitat loss and as a result human-elephant conflict. Number 5. The Saola, also called Seola, Vu Quang ox, spindlehorn, Asian unicorn, or, infrequently, the Vu Quang bovid, is one of the world's rarest large mammals, a forest-dwelling bovine found only in the Annamite range of Vietnam and Laos. The Saola is currently considered to be critically endangered. Its restrictive habitat requirements and aversion to human proximity are likely to endanger it through habitat loss and habitat fragmentation. In Southeast Asia, most endangered species of wildlife are threatened by targeted offtake for the wildlife trade, either for bushmeat or traditional Asian medicine. Paradoxically, Saola is one of few large animals in the region without a significant price on its head. Ancient Chinese and other Asian cultures never knew the Saola, and so it does not appear in their traditional pharmacopoeias. But Saola gets caught up in the general slaughter, and they are killed incidentally, as by catch. Number 4. Vaquita. The vaquita is a species of porpoise endemic to the Gulf of California. Averaging 150 centimeters or 140 centimeters in length, it is the smallest of all cetaceans. Today, the species is on the brink of extinction. Recent research estimates the population at less than 19 individuals. Vaquita is endangered because unsustainable and illegal fishing practices are the main drivers pushing vaquita to extinction, particularly due to bycatch from illegal fishing. Vaquitas share waters with the much sought-after totoaba fish, and fishing nets inadvertently catch and drown the porpoise. The latest report by the International Committee for the Recovery of the Vaquita, CIRVA, estimates that only between 6 and 22 individuals remained alive in 2018. It is possible, though, that there are no more than 10 vaquitas left. Number 3. The tiger is the largest cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. It is most recognizable for its dark vertical stripes on orange-brown fur with a lighter underside. It is an apex predator, primarily preying on ungulates such as deer and wild boar. Tigers are globally listed as endangered on the International Union for the Conservation of Nature (IUCN) Red List of Threatened Species. The Malayan and Sumatran sub-species are listed as critically endangered. Wild tigers are hunted to meet the demands of the $20 billion a year illegal wildlife market. Tigers occupy a variety of habitats from tropical forests, evergreen forests, woodlands and mangrove swamps to grasslands, savanna and rocky country. Number 2. Rhinos. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is one of any 5 extant species of odd-toed ungulates in the family Rhinoceratidae, as well as any of the numerous extinct species therein. 2 of the extant species are native to Africa, and 3 to southern Asia. The preferred habitat varies depending on the species, but range from savannas, grassland plains, wetlands, and dense forests in tropical regions. Rhinos are endangered due to poaching for their horns. Additionally, habitat destruction is causing rhinos to lose their homes. Finally, natural disasters and disease are also threatening the rhino with extinction. Number 1. Pangolin. Despite their tough appearance, these small, warrior-built mammals are losing the battle against poachers and habitat loss. All 8 species of pangolin are under threat, ranging from vulnerable to critically endangered. They are the most trafficked animal in the world, hunted for their scales which can be sold on the black market for up to $3,000 per kilogram. Pangolins like sandy habitats, such as savannas and wooded areas. They tend to remain close to water sources. There are some species of this enigmatic animal that are arboreal, which means that they live and hunt in trees. Pangolins are often highly hunted. They are hunted because of their skin, scales, meat, and some of their body parts are used in making traditional medicine. Save our nation, save animals. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon in another video.